to each other. So we just want to work its way onto our window. We know our reveals, we know what we want to see. I'm going to place a knee on the bottom there. I'm going to start working my way on to this corner. Nailing that. Sight my line. I'm looking for my corner intersections to make sure that those are staying nice and true. That's where we want to nail on the bottom. Hold that where it's supposed to be. Take a step back, look it over. I'm liking everything I see, so start pinning it down. Let's put it aside for now and get to sanding.